that we're fake, those people. Those men who come here, who come there, they don't know that we're fake, Wena. Idiot. We are fake. Come here, you compare yourself with a South African Magogo. I know that I'm a Gogo. I'm 40. I'm 40. How old are you? I'm turning 41 by December. How old are you, idiot? You are chopping your 10 today. You are chopping it. You are chopping it. Don't give a damn. Today you're gonna sleep seeing me and my big nyash there, dreaming big. Because I know it's a dream. Everything when you talk in Nigeria, South African with the nyash. With the nyash. Now you say our nyash are fake. Huh? Idiot. Can never be. We drop a clavier, guys. They're gonna play. This is their time to play, guys. They're gonna play on a speed, I think. And I'm gonna dump you. I'm gonna dump you like a rotten mango. Idiot. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Watch out. Help us, my team. We are winning this Nigerian girl today. Today, not today. You don't want to give up, ne? You are still writing. Hey, this girl doesn't want to give up. You are not giving up, ne? Thank Shaban Twe. Look this. Oh, I love this. Hey. I love this. Play the damn game. This is my last. Be careful. Huh? This is my last game. I'm gonna dump you like a rotten mango. Idiot. I'm gonna dump you. You are going to be dumped like this. And then I disconnect. And don't forget that this Friday, I warn you. You better snipe this. You better come with a flying jet and snipe this, baby girl. You are out. Going to play with people who are gonna give me a game.
I think he give us a game.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! You think I'm talking to you? I'm talking to you, but I'm not talking to you to respond. Oh, go and respond to your brokies there, not to me. Respond to them, Carlos. Friday for smoke. You call that smoke, idiot. I am dumping you like a constipated kalakun. You're kalakun. Shame on you. After this, you go to sleep, idiot. You are useless on this app. You are something that we can collect gloves with, idiot. Useful only on the gloves. I want you to remember this guy. The next time you see this guy on the FYP. Huh? He say, Bukhachu. Yeah? Bukhachu, I am sorry.
You did not mention
Shut
that one. That
up!
one he dropped
You
nothing.
are room number 78.
What was that one dropping? It's just
Nothing.
getting locked that nobody wants to play today. What is it dropping? Bro, that was 8. So I was on 8, so you know.
A drop. I can say what I drop into guys. Maraska drop a surveillance fifi. Shut up, Buena. I'm just going to refresh if I'm coming back now. I want to go to the bathroom and then I come back, we play. I saw a voice note. I wonder what are you saying there. I'm coming. This is the last game. Let's watch out.
Thank you, okay. I
Watch
understand.
out.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lucy, I understand, guys. Thank you.
You understand?
Oh, thank you
Get out of here. Disconnect yourself, idiot. Go to sleep.
Yeah.
Loser. Beggar.
All right, take care.